When it comes down to it, understanding the dynamics of how an off-road vehicle suspension functions takes years and years of engineering experience, research, and development, and there is one company that stands out from the rest as being a manufacturer of some of the most advanced and best performing suspension systems on the market. Hey, what's up guys? Josh from TrailBuilt. You may have already guessed it as to who we are talking about by the title of this video, and if you've never heard the Icon Vehicle Dynamics story about who they are and what makes them stand out from the rest, then make sure and stick around, as in today's video, we're gonna do a deep dive into their history and background and give you guys the story behind the infamous Icon Vehicle Dynamics company. So make sure and smash that subscribe button so that way you guys can hold on to the ride with us. Ready? Let's go. Also, if you haven't already heard, we have just introduced our partnership with Icon in our newest giveaway to offer you guys a chance to win a suspension system from Icon Vehicle Dynamics. The best way to get entered into the giveaway is by heading on over to our website at trailbuiltoffroad.com/giveaway and picking yourselves up one of these awesome TrailBuilt Icon t-shirts. Plus, we are also going to be donating a percentage of the t-shirt proceeds to our friends over at the Wounded Warrior Project Foundation, where your donations will help in the rehabilitation of our veterans that are suffering from physical or mental injuries to help in their continuation of living a healthy and happy lifestyle. For more information on the Wounded Warrior Project Foundation and to get entered to win an Icon Vehicle Dynamics suspension for your Jeep, truck, SUV, or off-road rig, just click the link in the description below. Beginning in 2008, Icon has been developing and producing suspension products that redefine the limitations of what aftermarket suspension systems were thought to be and brought those limitations to the point where they became almost non-existent. Their mentality is that if there is any point of weakness in a vehicle's suspension's performance, whether it be the shocks, pivot points, control arms, springs, mounting points, or any other component or design in the suspension, Icon would fix it to get the ultimate utilization and the most performance out of their suspension as possible. This approach has become what Icon refers to as their holistic approach to designing the ultimate performance suspension system. This approach of taking every single piece and component of the entire suspension system from front to back, left to right, and designing it and engineering it to perform on the exact brand and model vehicle that it's getting installed on is what sets Icon Vehicle Dynamics apart from its rival competitors. Icon's business is customer-driven, technology-influenced, engineering-oriented, and focuses on world-class manufacturing processes and techniques. Led by head engineer and SCORE Series champion driver Dylan Evans, Icon Vehicle Dynamics has the unique qualities to design and build the highest quality suspension components, from their shocks to their jounce bump stops to their exclusive delta joints, and then test them in both real-world applications and in race conditions as well. So how does Icon do it? How did they develop such a revolutionary performance suspension system? The answer might surprise you. It all starts with their name of their company, Icon Vehicle Dynamics. Their engineers actually start by determining a desired outcome of that particular vehicle they are working on by studying the effects and forces, or vehicle dynamics theory, to the vehicle when it's in motion, and then from that they can determine what improvements to the suspension components should be made. They examine how they can improve the drivability of the vehicle, how they can improve the handling characteristics, and what changes can be made to improve the vehicle in real-world situations, both on-road and off-road. Their engineers are in control and the driving force of their entire product line and manufacturing processes. And it's also made possible because of their laser cutting, metal forming, CNC machining, welding, and assembly is all being done in-house, so that way they can keep a close eye on quality control as well. The end result of this holistic approach is the highest quality and performing suspension products in the world. They have taken this approach a step further by introducing several new wheel designs to fit with their suspension systems to take their match performance a step further than their competitors as well. What also sets Icon products apart is their incredible commitment of time and energy that is dedicated to both ride development and testing from years and years of experience and involvement in off-road racing, rock crawling, hauling, and just about anything else you can do with a vehicle on or off-road. With heavy involvement in Ultra 4 racing, as we have seen at King of the Hammers over the years, to trophy truck racing, all the way to the opposite side of the spectrum with their overland builds, including the newest addition to their fleet with their 2020 Jeep Gladiator build, which is also found on the back of our giveaway t-shirts. Icon is a mogul in the research and design engineering approach and logs approximately 1,000 miles of off-road abuse on their shocks and suspension components to eliminate any weak spots and to also tune the suspension before introducing a new design to the retail public. So with a reputation built on quality, designs built on performance, and components that can withstand years of abuse, it's clear that Icon Vehicle Dynamics is the top choice for your performance suspension system needs. Whether you're looking to upgrade your Jeep Gladiator or Wrangler, or your Toyota Tacoma or 4Runner, or other popular brand vehicle models, make sure and head on over to TrailBuiltOffroad.com for your Icon Vehicle Dynamics suspension system or wheels today. And rest assured, you won't be disappointed. All right, guys, well, we hope this video has given you a good look into the infamous Icon Vehicle Dynamics, and if you are running any of their suspension systems or components, let us know how you like them, or even if you have any questions, just let us know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, thumbs up to like the video, and as always, we appreciate all of you for watching. I'm Josh from TrailBuilt, and we'll see you guys out on the trails.
That was awesome.